how to factory reset a Samsung phone. In this video, I'm going to show you two different ways to factory reset a Samsung phone. The first way will be in the settings on your Samsung phone, and then the second method will show you how to factory reset a Samsung phone if you forgot the passcode. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So first, to factory reset a Samsung phone, all we need to do is open up the settings. So I'm going to swipe up, find the settings app and select it. Then in the settings, scroll down pretty far and we're looking for and selecting general management. Once in general management, scroll down and select reset. And then they give you a couple different ways to reset your Samsung phone, but at the bottom, you'll see factory data reset. Select that. It's going to let you know what will be deleted from your Samsung phone. Just scroll all the way down and at the bottom, select reset, enter the PIN for your Samsung phone. And then once you do that, they may ask you to confirm one more time. And then after that, it will perform a factory reset. We'll have to set up the phone just like it's brand new. So now if you're trying to factory reset a Samsung phone without unlocking it, you don't know the passcode, maybe forgot it, what we need to do is first plug a USB cable into our Samsung phone, and then we have to plug the other end of this cable into a Windows computer or a Mac of some sort. It has to be plugged into a computer in order to actually get to recovery mode. So now what we're going to do to get to recovery mode to where we can factory reset it is first hold down a button combination of the volume down and the power button. And as soon as the screen turns off, switch it to the power button and the volume up button. So I'm going to do that real quick, holding down the volume down button and the power button at the same time until the screen turns off. There it goes. There it goes. Volume up and power button now. Keep holding that. And you'll see it get to the Android recovery screen where now we can use the volume button to go down to wipe factory reset, select that with the power button. And then all you need to do is go down to factory reset right there and select it again with the power button. It may ask you to confirm one more time. It'll then perform a factory reset of your Samsung phone without the passcode. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel.